I am Arshi from Astos Interior Design. Welcome to today's session on lighting. Lighting is a huge topic. We have specialists called light designers designing lightings of homes, offices, restaurants, bars and the like. But for a simple bedroom, you don't need to hire a lighting designer. With a few tips from me, you can very well design it yourself. So how do we go about designing light in our bedrooms? Basically, you need to know how to measure lights, and to measure lights, you need to know what are lumens. Lumens are basically measurement units for illumination of light. There are many ways of calculating light in a room, but I have a hack that I use which I will share with you. So, supposing that you have a 10 by 12 feet of room, that's 10 feet by 12 feet of a room, that is 120 square feet. I would multiply that by 20 lumens and I will get 2400 lumens for that entire room. So if you have viewed my earlier session on how to make a ceiling light plan, you will know that we had 6 spotlights on the ceiling. And now with a calculation of 2400 lumens and 6 lights, we divide that 2400 into by 6 and you will get approximately 500 lumens, which approximately amounts to 10 watts of LED light. Now that you know how many lumens you need, let us start planning our lighting system. So, rule of thumb, go by 3 layers of lighting, that is direct and general lighting, indirect lighting and accent lighting. So what is direct lighting? Direct or general lighting is what you get generally in the room, and that is accomplished by the spotlights on the ceiling or panel lights or even chandelier. What is indirect lighting? Indirect lighting usually gets from the cove lighting of the ceiling. So if you have a cove lighting, you fix a profile light. The fitting cannot be seen, only the throw of the light, that's the glow. And this also can be accomplished when you have a pelmet for a curtain. You can under the pelmet fix a profile lighting. It will generally give you a very nice glow on the curtains. You can also bounce off light on the wall and the ceiling to get indirect lighting. What is accent lighting? Accent lighting is when you want to highlight a feature or an artifact or a painting on the wall or even texture paint or wallpaper. And when you go to buy your light fittings, you have to ensure what kind of light fittings you're going to fit as per the style you have selected for yourself. So if you have a contemporary looking room, definitely select a contemporary looking light. If you have an industrial looking room, you will definitely select industrial lights. Now, something about light colors and paint colors. So for a home, for a drawing room, for a bedroom, it's best to use what we call in our language 3000. The color 3000 is a warm, beautiful glow which gives you a very cozy look for a home. For kitchens and bathrooms, you can use daylight, and please leave the white light for the hospitals because they have no place in a home. And 2 bits about paint colors. So if you want a nice reflective glow, then please ensure that you use light colors. Dark colors will not give you a glow or a reflection. So when you're using a texture paint or a wallpaper that is dark, please ensure that you have it balanced with light reflective paint colors. And if you're unsure of the effect the light causes on the texture paint or any of the dark colors, it's always best to experiment. The more you experiment what works for you, the better it is. And please ensure that you always hire a licensed electrician. These are things that are very, very, very important to keep in mind because it is hazardous. Now that you have learned how to design lighting for your bedroom, it's time to get into how to execute all that you have learned. And for that, please click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. I will see you in the next session.